Shalom everyone, Nir here from the Skyway Academy. I hope that you are having a fantastic week so far. Today I want us to work on greetings in Hebrew. Now bear in mind that these words are pretty much they are very basic. They're very basic and we're using them on a daily basis. Um, so let's make sure and jump right into it. But before that, I just want to remind you that the entire list can be found on the Skybreed website. So simply go to skybreed.com slash Hebrew to go, and there you can find this list along with other interactive um, activities such as audiobooks and stories and practices, and everything is there for you for free. So just make sure to jump and check it out. So we'll start with the first one. With no further ado, is shalom. That's our first one. Shalom, and the most common one, I think. Shalom simply means hello or hi. Now, for shalom, we'll be using this one basically for everyone. I mean, for a stranger, for a friend, a person we know or a person we don't know. So, for example, if you visit Israel and you don't quite know how to get somewhere and you need some directions, then you would start by saying shalom or slicha, which means excuse me, but also shalom is should be okay. So shalom simply means hello or hi. Shalom, shalom. Well done. Let's go to our next one. Our next one is lehitraot. 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 Lehitraot means goodbye. This is when we are saying goodbye, to someone. I don't think that there is much more that we can elaborate on this one, but just simply, once again, whenever we're saying goodbye, as much as shalom, the shalom that we had, this is also informal and formal, meaning that we can use this altogether for a friend, someone we know, someone we don't know, and we're using it all the time. So, lehitraot, lehitraot. Okay, now, another remark that I want to add is that shalom, the previous one that we had right here, shalom, in some occasions, this one will also be used as lehitraot. Okay, so if we want to say goodbye, it's either that we will say lehitraot, or in some cases, you will actually hear shalom. But this is more than just, greeting the person with hello as for starting a conversation, but rather ending the conversation or meeting. But again, let's say that the formal way of saying goodbye is simply saying lehitraot, lehitraot, lehitraot. Okay, fantastic. Our next one is mazal tov, mazal tov, or brachot, mazal tov or brachot. Mazal tov literally means mazal. It means luck. Literally in Hebrew, mazal means luck. Tov means good. So mazal tov literally means good luck. But I don't want you to get confused with this one, because for good luck we have another word. Okay, so mazal tov, it's more like congratulations. Congratulations. Now, same thing goes for brachot. Brachot. We can also say brachot. Okay? Now, brachot also means, guess what? Greetings. Greetings. Hope that makes sense to you guys. So, mazal tov, brachot, mazal tov, brachot. Now, both will mean congratulations. We will say that on a like a festive occasion like weddings, bar mitzvahs, bat mitzvahs, all of those events that are very festive and happy events. We will most certainly we will say that, and yeah, we're using it all the time, all the time. All right, our next one is behatzlacha. Behatzlacha. Behatzlacha means good luck. Good luck. Remember that previously I told you that mazal tov, if we will separate the two, mazal means luck and tov means good, but that doesn't mean good luck. That's not the word for good luck. That's the reason, because we do have a word for good luck, and this is behatzlacha. Behatzlacha. Now, another remark I want to add on this one is hatzlacha literally means success. Be means in or on, sometimes at. So literally, if you will separate those, it will we will have the preposition be and hatzlacha. So that's basically means in success. So whatever it is, it will be in a successful way. All right. So behatzlacha, behatzlacha, good luck, good luck. Now, of course, you can say that before a test, for example, or some event, or something that we're occasionally wishing for someone to have a successful thing, right? Like a successful event or a successful test or a successful you name it. And so good luck. Behatzlacha. Behatzlacha. Well done. Our next one, Boker Tov. And I bet some of you already know this one because this is also a very common one. Boker Tov, good morning. Good morning. Now, if you were paying attention before, Tov means good. So Boker Tov, good morning. Now, I assume that you figure out by now that Boker means morning. So Boker Tov, good morning. Boker Tov. Boker Tov. Boker Tov. Well done. Our next one, Yom Tov. Yom Tov. So whenever you want to greet someone with "Have a good day," you can simply greet him or her or them with Yom Tov. Yom Tov. Have a good day. Yom Tov. Our next one is Tzoharaim Tovim. Tzoharaim Tovim. Now this is important one because you see here in the as part of the transliteration, you can see a here is for but it's actually not according to the last, let's say, update by the formal official Hebrew Academy here in Jerusalem here in Israel. This is O. Okay, this is O. Tzoharaim Tovim, and that means afternoon, good afternoon. Tzoharaim Tovim. Our next one, Erev Tov. Erev Tov. Good evening. Erev Tov. You can clearly see that this Tov is keep repeating itself, right? Yom Tov, Boker Tov, Mazal Tov, Erev Tov. It keeps repeating itself. And once again, Laila Tov. Laila Tov. Laila Tov means good night. Good night. Laila Tov. Okay, the transliteration here, I'm not quite satisfied with this one, but you do have audio attached to all of them, which is great. So make sure to listen as well as hearing it. as reading it, sorry. Laila Tov simply means good night. Laila Tov. Chodesh Tov. Chodesh Tov. Chodesh means month. A month. And so, have a good month. Chodesh Tov. Have a good month. Chodesh Tov. Our last one is Shavua Tov. Now this one we would normally we would simply say on Sunday or during it's called Motzei Shabbat, after Saturday is over. We will simply say Shavua Tov, so either Saturday night or Sunday morning. Occasionally Sunday morning. Shavua Tov. Shavua Tov means have a good week. Okay, guys, I hope that you found this video helpful. I had a great time, as always. And just a reminder that, again, the entire list, along with practices, interactive stories, audiobooks, and, well, pretty much all the good stuff, can be found on skybreak.com/Hebrew2Go. So just make sure to go there. If you're facing any kind of difficulties, like technical difficulties or something like that, just make sure to switch to the default browser, the Internet Explorer default browser, and hopefully it will everything will work as it should there. Another reminder is that we're having our weekly group classes. We meet online every single week. We learn, we talk, we read, we practice. It's really just awesome. I love it so much. Yeah, just make sure to check it out, and you're more than invited to join the community. I'll see you guys next time, and I wish you all well, and have a good week. Shavua Tov. להתראות בפעם הבאה.